Good day. Today I will show you how to create email template using the PX dashboard. First, you just need to click on the Portal button to be routed to the PX dashboard. Once you're on the PX dashboard, you just need to click on the human icon on the right-hand side of the screen and click on the Configuration button. Once you're inside the configuration page, just click on Other Designer Template and then click on the Email Designer. Now we're on the Email Designer page, and since we're creating a new template, we're going to click the Add New Template button. Now we're on the Add New Template page. You just now need to fill out the template name, the subject line, and populate the email content by using the elements on the right-hand side of the screen. You can go ahead and play along with the elements you'll be needing for your email template. Once you're done creating the template, don't forget to click on the Save button. And that's it. That is how you can create your email template on the PX dashboard. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.